Hello everyone and welcome to Everest Ice and Water. Today let's talk about components, how they're used, and how they can affect your ice and water vending business. Before we begin, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with everything that's going on here at Everest, and don't forget to like the video. It really helps. As you research ice vending machine manufacturing companies, you may have noticed that some of the competitors' machines have the same storage capacities and ice production capabilities. In fact, some companies even use the same ice makers. It may seem that most machines will function exactly the same and produce identical profits, but there's a lot more that goes into a successful ice vending machine. And just like the well-known proverb states, it's what's on the inside that counts. And that's no different when it comes to ice and water vending. At Everest, we work hard to innovate and engineer the most advanced machine on the market and to make your life easier. We want your business to be more profitable. We're pretty confident that the results speak for themselves. Let's say you're looking at two machines that have seemingly identical production and storage capabilities, and one of them is an Everest machine. You might be thinking they'll produce the same results, but the problem with this comparison is that while both bins may start with the same amount of ice in them, only one of those machines is going to allow you to dispense every single cube and sell every single bag of ice that's stored in the bin, and that would be the Everest VX. So the ice that's been beaten into chips by the heavy metal bar during the agitation process, you can't sell that. The ice that has frozen along the walls and in the corners of that bin, just out of reach of the agitator bar, you can't sell that ice either. Thanks to our patented VersaVend technology, Everest only makes ice that you can sell, right down to the last cube. No ice bridging, no agitators, no augers. One moving part eliminates the need for multiple motors, outdated agitation techniques, and inefficient components that are likely to break down and cause maintenance issues. And with more than 7 million jam-free VINs and counting, I think the numbers speak for themselves. And isn't it strange how companies with outdated technology also have pricey annual maintenance plans? It's almost as if they're making money off of their refusal to innovate. And you're paying the price. Don't pay thousands of dollars per year for bad engineering. With old technology, it's not just wasted ice either. Overpriced water filtration systems like reverse osmosis cost more, but give less. Here's how reverse osmosis works. Water passes through an expensive membrane filter to remove impurities, but it removes minerals too, leaving an unpleasant metallic taste. Look at all the brands of bottled water in a grocery store. None of them tout reverse osmosis as a selling point, and I'd wager you've never actually had ice cubes made with reverse osmosis. Not only does that process waste a massive amount of water, which hurts your utility costs and the environment, but it takes much longer to recover. You could run out of water much faster, which is obviously necessary to make ice. If someone comes in the morning and buys a lot of water before the day starts, you're already short on inventory, and it'll take a long time to replenish. This means missing out on profits for the day. Plus, when you factor in the initial cost of adding reverse osmosis and water filtration to your machine, it'll add up fast. At Everest, not only is water vending standard on every machine, but so is our 5-stage filtration system from Everpure. This is the same filtration system designed for and used by McDonald's to provide their well-known great-tasting water, sodas, and coffee. You don't have to spend tons of money on water quality. If it's good enough for billions served, it's good enough for your business. Don't waste ice, water, and money on an outdated, inferior machine. At Everest, we offer ice and water vending machines with the most standard features in the industry because we're here to give you the tools that you need and a way to succeed. We're not trying to give you a second full-time job with a machine that needs non-stop care and maintenance. Are you ready to set up your own Everest ice and water vending machine? Then click the link in the description below or send an email to sales@everesticeandwater.com to speak with an equipment specialist today. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.